Number 10. A life in the trees. Orangutans are highly arboreal, which means they spend most of their time in trees. They're found in the tropical rainforests of Borneo and Sumatra in Indonesia. And these forests are so dense that sunlight struggles to reach the ground. So orangutans have adapted to living a life far from the sun. Their large claws help them grip branches as they move through the forest canopy. And they spend their days looking for food and their nights sleeping in the trees. In fact, orangutans build nests in trees to sleep in. They use branches and leaves to make a cozy spot to rest their weary heads. But don't worry, they don't stay in the same nest for too long. Orangutans are tidy creatures, and they build a new nest every night. It's like having a brand new bed every night, but without the fresh linen. Number 9. Solitary by nature. Unlike many other animals, orangutans are solitary creatures. They generally avoid each other except during mating season. Mother orangutans with their young are an exception to this rule. They stay together for about 6 to 8 years, until the offspring is old enough to fend for itself. But even then, the young orangutan doesn't stick around for too long. It's every orangutan for itself in the jungle. Number 8. A long life. Orangutans have a long lifespan, which means they have plenty of time to build lots of nests. In the wild, they can live up to 30 to 40 years. However, orangutans in captivity have been known to live much longer, up to 50 years old or more. That's a lot of birthday cakes. If you've ever seen an orangutan in a zoo, you might be surprised by its large size. Male orangutans can grow up to 5 feet tall and weigh up to 200 pounds. Females are smaller, typically standing around 4 feet tall and weighing up to 100 pounds. That's one big ape. 7. A slow metabolism. Despite their size, orangutans have a slow metabolism, which means they don't need to eat as much as other animals their size. They're not exactly known for their speed, but rather their intelligence and problem-solving skills. But don't let their slow metabolism fool you. Orangutans are still vulnerable to obesity if they don't get enough exercise. So maybe those extra calories from the ants are better spent on a brisk walk in the jungle rather than lounging around in their treetop nests. Number 6. A flirty dance. When male orangutans are ready to mate, they engage in a strange ritual. They climb to the top of a tree, spread their arms wide, and shake their butts at the females below. If the females are interested, they return the gesture. But if not, they just ignore the male or scream at him to shut up. It's like a very awkward dance, but with less music and more butt shaking. But this isn't the only way orangutans flirt. Male orangutans also attract potential partners by making loud calls that can carry for miles through the forest. These calls are so loud that they can be heard up to half a mile away. That's like shouting at the top of your lungs and someone still being able to hear you from next door. 5. A special diet. Orangutans are mainly herbivores, which means they eat mostly plants. They love to munch on fruits, leaves, flowers, and bark. However, they are opportunistic eaters and will also consume insects, birds, eggs, and small animals if they can catch them. Basically, if it's small enough, they'll try to eat it. This diverse diet helps them get all the nutrients they need to survive in the rainforest. And because they're so good at climbing, they can access fruits that most other animals can't, giving them a special treat. Number 4. A forest gardener. Orangutans play an important role in the rainforest ecosystem as seed dispersers. When they eat fruits, they swallow the seeds whole. The seeds then pass through their digestive system and are eventually pooped out. These seeds are then dispersed in orangutan poop, which helps to spread the seeds of different plants throughout the forest. This is a great way to help plants reproduce, and orangutans don't even have to try to garden. It's like nature's way of saying thanks for the poop. Here's some free plants. Number 3. Threatened by humans. Sadly, orangutans are an endangered species, which means there aren't many of them left in the wild. This is mainly due to habitat loss caused by deforestation. As humans cut down more and more trees for timber or to create space for farms, orangutans lose their homes and their ability to find food. It's a sad situation, but there are organizations working hard to protect orangutans and their habitats so that future generations can enjoy seeing these amazing creatures in the wild. Number 2, a symbol of Indonesia. The orangutan is a national symbol of Indonesia. You may have seen them on the Indonesian rupiah, their currency. This is a testament to how important these creatures are to the country. The Indonesian government has worked hard to protect the orangutan and their habitat. They've established national parks and are working to reduce the amount of deforestation in orangutan habitat. Number 1, a unique genetic makeup. Orangutans are genetically distinct from other great apes, such as chimpanzees and gorillas. In fact, the name orangutan itself means person of the forest in Malay. This is a fitting name, as they are truly unique creatures. They have distinct physical characteristics, such as their long arms and large body size, as well as unique behaviors and social structures. Orangutans are truly one of a kind, and we're lucky to have them on our planet. There you have it, 10 incredible facts about the orangutan. These amazing creatures are truly one of a kind. From their solitary lifestyle to their unique genetic makeup, orangutans are truly fascinating. Hopefully you learned something new about these amazing animals, and you'll be able to impress your friends with your newfound knowledge. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun and educational videos about orangutans and other amazing creatures. And if you want to learn more about orangutans, check out the links in the description below. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.